Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by learning two core words, ko'ama enus, iama, and ko'amani enus, iamioni. Say each slowly, then faster. This builds mouth memory. Once done, compare informal versus formal use, iama for close family, iamioni when showing respect. Make sure to practice short drills, 3 repeats, pause, listen, repeat. You'll train your ears and lips simultaneously. The why is simple. Korean distinguishes intimacy and respect, so correct choice matters for tone and relationships. Next, refine how you say these words by adding context. Listen to native audio and mimic intonation. Call ko'amme enus with a rising, warm pitch. Say ko'amani enus with steady, polite tone. Once done, practice phrases. Ko'amme enus for calling, ko'amani enus, kogemsehepnide enus for polite thanks. Make sure to record yourself and compare. Small vowel or consonant shifts change meaning. You'll learn why pitch and formality shape social signals. So focus equally on sound and social. Finally, put the words into real use with sentences and messaging. Try ko'amme enus, kopapmakasa for casual check-ins and ko'amani higemseduripnide enus for formal gratitude. Once done, send voice notes to a native or language partner and request one correction. That rapid feedback loop cures small pronunciation errors. Make sure to note patterns of mispronunciation and repeat targeted drills. If people misunderstand you, slow down. Exaggerate the sounds, then return to natural speed. This reliably fixes clarity issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.